Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Party drink or summer drink, lemon iced tea is a must-have on the menu to me. Firstly, it's incredibly tasty and it's super easy to make. Today I'm going to share a wonderful recipe with you guys and I can't wait to show it to you. So let's get started and check it out. For the lemon iced tea, first I'm going to make a lemon and mint infused sugar syrup. Take 4 lemons. Peel off the skin from the lemons and keep it aside. Now cut the lemons. Squeeze out the juice in a bowl and keep that aside. Next, to a saucepan, pour 1 liter of water. To this add 1.5 cups of sugar. Once the sugar is completely dissolved, give it a quick mix and add the lemon skin into the sugar syrup. Let this boil for about 5 minutes. So this will allow the flavors from the lemon skin to be infused into the sugar syrup. Turn off the stove, add a few fresh mint leaves and keep the syrup aside. So now we are going to make a pot of black tea. So I've taken about 1 liter of water in a jug. This is a heat-proof, fireproof jug. So I'm using this to make the black tea. Now you can make the black tea in a regular saucepan. When the water gradually begins to boil, add 2 teaspoons of tea granules. Let this boil for about 5 minutes. Make sure the flame is on high. So once your black tea is done, strain it in a bowl and keep it aside. So now you can see the tea is piping hot. Strain the sugar syrup into the hot tea and mix it well. Allow the tea to cool down completely. Once the tea has cooled down completely, add the lemon juice and mix it well. You can see that instant color change. It's turned to a lovely honey color. Now if you think it's a little too sweet or it's a little more concentrated, you can dilute it by adding a little water to it. So now your lemon tea is ready and it's time to serve. Take 2 tall glasses, add a few ice cubes, add a few slices of lemon, a few fresh mint leaves. Now fill the glass with the prepared lemon tea. And there you go, we have this refreshing, cool lemon iced tea that's ready to be served. This is a very refreshing drink that you can make in batches and you can refrigerate it. And you can drink it or enjoy it or even serve it to your family and friends when they are home. So this is a really easy tea that can be made in minutes. And if you're a fan of the lemon iced tea and you normally tend to enjoy it at restaurants, I recommend you try this particular recipe and you will be absolutely blown away. With the summer coming up, this is a perfect drink that you can just sit back and enjoy. We'll give you a couple of links in the description for other refreshing drinks. You can check them out as well. And this is how we make a refreshing lemon iced tea. Now you can prepare this and refrigerate it for about 2 to 3 days. So do try the recipe, enjoy the summer with this delicious and refreshing drink and share it with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now. So you can place your orders on 21frames.in.